Hi everyone, welcome to Bite Size STEM. Today we'll be diving into an essential topic in calculus, limits and continuity. Whether you're new to calculus or just need a refresher, this video will break down the key concepts you'll need to know. I think I'm going to make about 4 or 5 videos on this topic just to make them small and easily digestible. So let's get started. Let's start with the basics. A limit is the value that a function approaches as the input, or x value, approaches a certain point. Think of it as what the function is trying to be as x gets closer and closer to a particular number. Imagine you're walking towards a wall. As you get closer, you can almost touch it, but there's always a tiny bit of space left. The limit is like the point where you'd finally touch the wall if you kept getting closer and closer. In math, we write limits as lim, or lim, x to a, fx equals L, which means that as x approaches a, the function fx gets closer and closer to L. For example, let's take the function fx equals 2x plus 3. What happens as x approaches 2? We substitute x with 2, and we get f2 equals 2 times 2 plus 3 equals 7. So the limit as x goes to 2 for the function 2x plus 3 would be 7. This is a very simple way of explaining it. I kind of wanted to just make this easily approachable for now, so please check out my next video to get more in depth of limits and continuity. Thanks for watching.